Well, this is since I've been doing a coverage of the heat wave of 2015, I'm going to show you the highs and lows that I have recorded over the past 2 weeks during this historical heat wave. Now remember, these are not official United States Weather Service values. These are unofficial and what I recorded from my weather station. So I started with this notebook, which I actually have this binder over here. It's filled with, well, a little bit of shortwave frequencies, but mostly weather records. This is about 5 years worth of weather records. I have a few more binders that has those, but I use this notebook for extreme weather recording in case I want to keep the highs and lows or precipitation wise. But starting with June 22nd, we had a high of 89, a low of 49, which was cool. Which was a cool day. Didn't seem all that bad. And then once you get up to about the 25th, you reach the triple-digit mark, and then over here you see the lows from upper 40s to near 70 degrees in some spots. But over here you have the maximum heat index throughout that day, and even at nighttime I even recorded some heat indices at or above 75 degrees. That is the lowest I calculate heat index is 75 degrees. And then once you go down towards the weekend, then you start having much more triple digits much in the way of triple digits all the way down to about today, which I have not counted the high temperature today because it's only 4 o'clock and I don't count the high temperature till about 6. So in about an hour and a half I will put the high temperature in the description here later once here at 6 o'clock. But yeah, after the holiday weekend, just during the holiday weekend, we had temperatures in the 100 teens. Officially, these were 108s, but these are unofficial temperatures. But as you look over here, you can see temperatures almost 80 degrees, and even was above 80 a couple nights after that really hot temperatures. And then you kept going, and we still have not broken the streak, even though officially we did break the streak on July 5th of 99 degrees, but so far in my records we have not broken the 100 degree streak. So as you can see, from last time I recorded a high of below 100 was on June 24th. But as you go over here, let's look at some of the heat index readings, where June 22nd it was 87, and then once you go all the way to that holiday weekend just before the 4th of July, well, I call it the holiday weekend, but anyways, heat indices of 109 degrees. This was not recorded when it was 110. It was actually recorded after about 7 o'clock, which I do keep hourly observations on a weather station that I also have it on a memory chip, so I will go and look at those records, and I will write down the hourly observations in this notebook. But this 109 degree heat index reading was recorded about 7 o'clock in the evening, when the humidity started rising, and it was only 100, and it was still 104 degrees. Actually, stayed 100 degrees all the way till about 11 o'clock at night at times here where I measured the station. And then June 30th, the night of June 29th into June 30th, it was a very humid, muggy night. And that was when we had a severe thunderstorm warning. But these are the highs and lows and the heat indices recorded, and then you also see that there's these symbols, that one means smoke and that one's haze. So, but yeah, and these are the heat advisories that we had these are the two heat advisories we had in effect, and the forecast calls for more triple digits for the next couple of days, but it's supposed to cool off to the lower to mid 90s by this weekend, so we could break that 100 degree streak by the end of the week. So So yeah, there's the, we got, let's see, how many days of 100 do we have so far? Of 100 or higher do we have? 12 days. Okay, so this is the 12th day, and I'm sure since the last observation, it is 101 degrees, so I'm sure that that's probably the afternoon high today. So, but yeah, that's those are the highs and lows that I've recorded for the heat wave of 2015.